In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor-based smooth scrolling to your website using the Wix website editor. This feature is a great way to enhance user experience by allowing visitors to navigate your page seamlessly without abrupt jumps. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can achieve that smooth scrolling experience with ease. Let's start by accessing the Wix website editor. Open your browser and go to the Wix editor. This is where you can manage the design and functionality of your website. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Menu and Anchor. Clicking on this will drop down a menu option for you. You'll now want to drag this option over to your page. Just click, hold, and move it to the section where you desire the scrolling effect to take place. Once you have your anchor in place, you'll need to give it a descriptive name. Click on the anchor and type in any highlight word or name that relates to its function or location on your site. This step is crucial, as it helps you identify and manage the anchors easier in future editing sessions. Now, head back to the main panel and look for the Pages menu. Click on it to view options related to your current pages. Next, find and select Manage Pages. This section offers control over all page elements, including what visitors will see as part of your navigation. Here, you have the opportunity to Add Menu Item. Click on this option as it allows you to add an anchor to your site's menu bar, making it easily accessible and more visible to your visitors. You'll notice an option to add an anchor. Once you've selected to add a menu item, click on it and then proceed to associate it with the appropriate section by clicking on Section. Web navigation is all about simplicity, and this step ensures that your anchor directly links to where you want it to go. Now, specifying its destination is easy. Just click on the visible section, Best Brand, to set your anchor point effectively. To conclude your anchor setup, be sure to click Done. This will finalize the process and save your settings. With your anchor correctly placed, you can now click on it to drag it into your desired position. This is essential to ensure your site looks and functions perfectly. Finally, to see your new changes in action, click on Preview. This option lets you watch your smooth scrolling feature in effect as if you were a visitor to your site, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an anchor-based smooth scrolling effect to your website, enhancing not only its functionality, but also its overall user engagement. Enjoy your newly streamlined navigation experience.